Hello guys, in this video I will demonstrate describe with Copilot feature in Power Automate desktop version 2.48. I will show how AI generate code for a simple use case of extracting tabular data from PDF to CSV format. So let's start. The input PDF file is placed in a local file folders. Let's open the PDF file. From this PDF file, we are interested in extracting details like quantity, description, unit price, and line total. The output folder looks empty. Let's open the Power Automate desktop app. On the Home tab, you can see Describe with Copilot feature. Let's give an instruction or prompt to create a bot. In this prompt, I have asked AI to read tabular data from PDF file and save it in a CSV format. Also display message to a user if input PDF is not present in the folder. This will take some time to process. This will create a pad with AI generated actions. You can see it creates a region. This is the comment it has put inside the region. Within region, we have an condition action to check for the existence of file. So if file does not exist, it will display a message to a user. Else it will extract table from the PDF file. It will extract all table from the PDF file in an array. And the last action is to write to CSV file where we will extract the last table and put and save it in a CSV file. This is how the pad is set up. Now let's run the happy flow. Let's go back to the output folder and check the output. We can see a CSV file is created. On opening it, we can see all the required data in this CSV file. Now let's test another scenario where the bot is not able to find the input PDF file. So just rename this file and see. Now go back to the Power Automate flow and run it. You can see now it prompts a user for the non-existence of PDF file. So that's it. Thank you. Click like button if you like this video and subscribe my channel for more such videos.